today is 9/21/23, and we are sucking down 150 psi worth of 134A. This is a 2000?
2000 Lincoln Town Car.
With the 4 point something?
4.3. I mean, I'm sorry, 4.6. The same one that's in the Crown Victoria.
Wow, police car.
Yep, it is the police engine.
All right.
The intake manifold on it.
So the plan is to change a compressor.
And the receiver dryer.
Okay.
And the orifice too.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing.
And flush it. I got some flush. I guess I'm going to try and flush a little bit just for the hell of it to make sure there's nothing in here.
Nice. And so we recovered 0.36 pounds, and we are starting at 240 cc's of oil at the moment. And what does this car ask for?
I don't know. Air conditioning, I don't remember if it had the air conditioning sticker on it. Here it is.
Oh yeah. Maximum operating charge. It wants 2 pounds and 6 ounces. And the Ford oil it wants is WSH M1C231B, or it complies with the SAE J639 oil.
Yeah, that's the one I use, that one.
All right. So that's the plan.
In French, because they sold this car in France a lot.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Lincoln's famous overseas.
Nice. All right, we sucked out 0.43 pounds, and we're still going down slowly. We're coming down to 10 and getting close to 0. Yeah, so this thing recovers, and then when you're ready to charge it, you just hit a button, it goes straight back in. And then I also have a injection kit where you put whatever oil in it, it just sucks it in, or you put in a bottle here and sucks it in that way.
That's nice.
And
yeah,
then
I just pour it into the, like the condenser, I just poured it into it and put it back together.
Okay.
Because, when you replace certain parts, like, they give you a certain amount for each one.
Right.
That you're supposed to put in, and so you can just pour it in it. This is convenient, though. If
Yeah.
I was doing air conditioning all the time, I would have had one of these. But we weren't, we were a general shop doing everything, just like you. Tires. We didn't do tires. We were about to get a tire machine, but they were so expensive back then.
Yeah.
You can get a brand new tire machine now for like $2,300.
Wow.
It used to be $6,000.
Yeah, I picked up mine for $450.
Yeah, because those ones, they don't use them anymore at the tire shops because they got all these fancy rims they got to clamp and stuff. That's nice, yeah.
All right.
I could have had a free one long time ago, but I have no place to put it.
So we're at 140. Yeah, my tire machine, I brought it broken, and it turns out it was just the electrical cord was making a bad contact.
No kidding.
And then
That's why you got it so cheap.
yeah, it works when it wants to work, and it doesn't work when it doesn't want to work. And so it was like possessed.
Damn.
And then somehow the cord must have got like cut against something, and then somebody put a wire nut on it, and it didn't make a very good wire nut contact.
Oh, on the inside?
Yeah. And then I opened it up and made a better contact and changed to a bigger wire, and now it works great.
There you go. I mean, 90% of the time, the things I fix, like toys and stuff or whatever, it's all bad connections, bad solder joint, any number of things.
All right, it recovered.
Right on. So what do you think it took out as far as Freon? So it was low on charge. It wasn't.
I don't know why it only says it took out 0.49.
That's weird because I hit that fucking thing and man, it just blasted me harder than anything.
Yeah.
I did release, but,
Yeah, 0.49. That's it.
So that's only not even half a pound.
Yeah.
So
It's supposed to be like 2.26. All right. Stop.
Yeah, 2 pounds. That's almost 2 1/4, over 2 1/4 pounds. Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna hit close.